Hello and welcome to the 2018-2019 school year. My name is Steve McDaniel, Director of Student Services for the Hall County School District. One of the areas of responsibility for the Student Services Department is student enrollment. Over the next few minutes, I will be highlighting some important information that I hope will be helpful to you as you begin the school year. Let's begin with the Hall County School District enrollment requirements. You should see on your screen our enrollment requirements, and there are 6 components. It is important that everyone pay special attention to these 6 items. The parent or guardian must complete the student registration form and must present these following 6 documents to the school. 1 is age verification. 2 proofs of residency. And under 2 proofs of residency, there are 2 options. The first option has to do with if you currently own or rent your residence, and the second option has to do with if you're unable to provide proof of residency in your name. So some different requirements here depending on whether or not you own or rent your residence, or if you are providing proof of residency along with the Hall County School District Residency Affidavit, which we will talk more about in just a moment. The third requirement for enrollment is the parent guardian photo ID. The fourth requirement is the Georgia Immunization Certificate. This is sometimes referred to as Form 3231. The fifth requirement is the Certificate of Vision, Hearing, Dental, and Nutritional Screening, sometimes referred to as Form 3300. And then finally, the 6th requirement is the Social Security card, which parents may waive, and we will also touch on that again in just a moment. The next thing that I would like to do is talk about the various forms that you will use during the enrollment process. Let's first talk about the student registration form. It is important that everyone use the Hall County School District forms, which include our logo at the top and bottom of each form and are updated annually. These forms may be found on our district website at hallco.org/student registration. So the student registration form, we have revised the format and the order of our student registration form to help you with input of data into Infinite Campus this year. A special thanks to Joy Morris and Tracy Bishop for making this happen. It's important to note the enrolling parent is the only person authorized to withdraw the student or make changes to the student's registration information, including who may pick the student up from school. The next form that we want to discuss is the Residency Affidavit form. This form is required when the enrolling person is unable to provide proof of residence in their name. The form must be signed by both the enrolling parent or guardian and the person whose name is on the lease, bill, or other document. The form must also be notarized by someone outside the school district, and this form and any accompanying documentation must be updated annually. To assist with this process each year, we have created a new zoning code which should be used when a student is enrolled using the residency affidavit. The next form that we want to take a look at is the 30-day provisional enrollment form. This form may be used if the enrolling parent cannot provide either proof of age or 2 proofs of residency. Please remember to put a withdrawal date in the space provided at the bottom of the form, and also remember to notify the enrolling parent 10 days prior to the withdrawal date. As mentioned a moment ago, parents may elect not to use the Social Security number for identification purposes. Parents may object to the use of the Social Security number for student identification by completing this form. having it notarized, and returning it to the school with the registration packet. The last form that I would like to address today is the change of address form. Parents must complete this form within 5 days of moving to a new address. Whenever you receive a change of address form from a parent, it is very important that you notify all other Hall County School District schools where any siblings may attend. Please familiarize yourself with this form and all procedures related to it, and if you have any questions about the change of address form or that process, please contact Joy Morris at the central office. Finally, I want to emphasize how important it is for all of us to be consistent in following our Hall County School District policies and procedures related to school enrollment. If you have any questions, please refer those to your school administration. We appreciate all that you do, and we wish you a successful school year.